Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to clean or how to wash the cockles. Cockle is very popular seafood in Thailand and it can serve with the spicy sauce. So today I'm sharing my method for washing the cockles before consuming them. First method that I want to share you is the how to check the cockles is still alive. If the cockles is open, tap the shells on that and firm to see if it's closed, but if they are closed it means they are still alive. To clean cockles, start by giving them a good rinse until it's clear water. Now you can see the rinse water is quite clear, and then we will do in the next process. As there are a lot of mud and sand inside, and then we need to remove it. Going to add salt, 2 tablespoons. And the soda water or the water as layer have gas inside. We do this for help to quite easy to clean if we put the gas water. We're gonna add the vinegar for 2 tablespoons. For the vinegar and the salt, it will help the cockles are open and put some of the mud and the sand inside out. And then we're gonna let it for 1 hour. For 1 hour, we're gonna use the brush to scrub the cockles all over. But for this method, we just put in the same line of the cockles, and then it's very easy to remove it. And now you can see our cockles is almost white and clean. And now you can see the cockles are clean. Now the cockles are very clean and ready to cook. So I hope you give this try for this method. It's so easy and help you to clean the cockles very fast and also very clean. And thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.